In this video, I'll show you how to make a voiceover with Elevenlabs. First, open your web browser, go to the Elevenlabs website, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open the text-to-speech tool from the dashboard. Next, choose the AI voice you want to use. You can browse the voice library or select one from your own saved voices if you've already created or added one. Now, type or paste your script into the text box. If the option is available, adjust settings such as the voice model, stability, style, or speed to achieve the sound you're looking for. After that, click the Generate button and wait a few moments while Elevenlabs creates your voiceover. Once it's finished, play the audio to review the result. If you'd like to make changes, edit your script or adjust the voice settings, then generate the voiceover again. Finally, click the Download button to save the voiceover to your device. You can now use it in videos, podcasts, presentations, or other creative projects. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make a voiceover with Elevenlabs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.